Hi students, welcome to the lesson Colors in Advertising Part 1. In this lesson, I explained to you that colors do play a significant role in advertising and lifestyles world over in general and in India specifically. As I mentioned before, the Indian way of life itself is very colorful. We as Indians like colors to express our ideas, desires, emotions, feelings, etc. Without colors, Indian life turns pale and insipid. Whether it is Pongal in the south or Holi in the north, it is full of colors. That said, can we afford to live without attachment to colors, be them in relation to consumables or eatables or lifestyles such as dresses, shoes, lingerie, garments, etc. A simple walk in a mall or a large store will provide the fact without any need for further corroboration. Now, before we proceed further, let us look at our objectives of this lesson. How are colors defined in the advertising with special reference to Indian culture? What are the different roles colors play in respect of products as well as their manufacturers? How colors are adopted as branding force or agent for each corporate sector? What roles colors exhibit in the Indian advertising, be it print or electronic media? Red is the color of fire and blood, so it is associated with energy, war, danger, strength, power, determination as well as passion, desire and love. In advertising, red is often used to evoke erotic feelings, red lips, red nails, red light districts, lady in red, etc. For instance, bright colors such as yellow, blue and red work best in advertising meant to appeal to the children. It is believed that some colors will increase sales. They are: red is the color of power, blue color is for trustworthiness and coolness, pink for vying for the attention of a young female demographic population, yellow is a powerful color, green is a versatile color. Lifestyle preferences can also influence which colors are favored. Vivid primary colors such as red, blue used along with white strips are representative of active lifestyles. Such usage of color could therefore be used to promote sports, clothing or equipment. Given the above, red, black, copper or bronze would seem to head the list of the most attract colors. Research shows that color affects shopping habits. Red, orange, black and royal blue attracts impulse buyers. Pink, light green, light and navy blue attract tight budget shoppers. Choosing the best colors for advertising relates to several factors. It requires an understanding the effects of various colors have on your potential customers. The best color for your advertising depends on what you are selling and how you want your product or service as well as your business to be perceived. Understanding the effect of color has in your advertising is key to the picking the best shades to help you meet your marketing goals. Knowing the target audience for your advertisement is critical in choosing the best colors to create ads that grab and hold people's attention. For instance, bright colors such as yellow, blue and red work best in advertising meant to appeal to children. But if you want your advertisement to appeal to the parents, a different set of colors such as blue or pink would work better. If your product is meant to appeal to a specific culture, find out what each color means to that particular culture. For instance, yellow means sadness to the Greeks, but the same color indicates sacredness to the Chinese, says branding strategy insider. Similarly, yellow means a lot to Indians, especially women in the south. Green is much more to Muslims, while the entire India cherishes green as the most preferred choice. Red is widely used to indicate danger, high voltage signs, traffic lights. This color is also commonly associated with energy, so you can use it when promoting energy, drinks, games, cars and the items related to sports and high physical activity. Light red represents joy, sexuality, passion, sensitivity and love. Evoking a strong emotional response requires color to play a big role in your advertising. For instance, if you want to express excitement or danger, red works best. If you prefer to create a sense of trust and credibility, use blue, a color often used in corporate advertising. Orange makes people feel warm and vibrant, but if you want to make people feel happy about buying your product or service, go with yellow. The use of color in your small business advertising campaigns can do convey the attitudes and moods you would like consumers to associate with your products. The emotion or attitude the color choice generates allows consumers to associate these emotions with your products. The blue color physically stimulates the body, rising blood pressure and heart rate associated with movement, excitement and passion. Blue is the preferred color of men. It is associated with peace, water, tranquility and reliability. Blue provides a sense of security, curbs appetite and stimulates productivity. Red, orange and yellow are next to each other on the wheel and are all warm colors. Warm colors often evoke feelings of happiness, optimism and energy. In India, traditional colors that I discussed in the earlier lessons would make the people quite happy about. These may range from food products to saris, dresses and lingerie. Coloring food products in the choices to traditional colors is another significant facet of Indian color selection criteria. In this part of the lesson, I shall take you to a little more deeper. It turns out that color is one of the most exciting things in the world. Since the beginning, the colors have stirred our emotions. White chalk was a precious tool in the hands of Paleolithic artists. Gold from the very first civilizations reminded us of the sun. A desire for the mysterious and exotic blue changed the colors of history. Color was definitely grabbing the worldwide attention, but it certainly was not easy to get hold of it. This is why it became the ultimate symbol of luxury. Those who could afford it used the favorite hues to decorate their surroundings. Today, not so long, since the beginning of digital revolution, we have free access to any color we can possibly think of and more. But do we really know what the essence of color is? Are we sure that there is an exact dictionary definition for it, or is it a bit more abstract than ordinarily defined things? 50 Shades of Grey, a famous American novel, is not the best starting point. Whatever color we pick, whether it is grey, blue or red, we won't be able to describe it unless, of course, we decide to refer to grey, blue or red object as a point of reference. This is because there is no elementary characteristic of red or any other color. Redness is just a term that refers to other concepts and inception of concepts. Color is a powerful tool because it can change our mood, the mood of potential customers. If a website improves our state of mind, our relationship with a brand will deepen and the probability of a return will increase. Advertisers and designers are well aware of that. We are not guided entirely by logic when making purchases. We tend to be driven by less indefinable factors such as emotions. Successful brands do not sell only products, they sell a lifestyle. Finding the right choice of colors is an art because everyone interprets colors differently. Therefore, the trick is about an entire selection. No color scheme is ideal or universal. There is no best palette for a specific social or cultural group. We have to understand the meaning of colors so that they can support our message. Colorful information affects the decision making process with a surprising effectiveness. Through colors, we can control reactions of an audience and provoke them to certain behaviors. The following paragraphs present commonly used colors and describe their impact on users. Biggie, yellow, orange, pink and red are similar. These are active, eye-catching colors with a friendly nature that may induce a sense of courage and energy. Warm bright colors visually enlarge objects and make them seem closer. Due to their high visibility, I advise limiting their use among subdued colors. Lavender, silver and azure add subtlety, full of aesthetics and freshness accents. Such cold but bright tones enhance a sensation of modernity and professionalism if harmoniously combined with grey. It is a nice composition for business, commerce and service websites, especially with health, cosmetic and medicine products. Cold dark colors violet, blue, turquoise, green, navy give a feeling of stability and quality. These shades are often placed as accompanying the colors. Although they do not attract attention, they emphasize the content. Cold dark colors are widely used on business websites for ambitious and hardworking qualities, with a special highlight for government, science, automotive and computer products. Gold, purple, brown express classics, tradition, luxury and relaxation. They blend well in expensive and elegant designs for young and rich. Mixed with cold colors give an impression of modernity and novelty, perfect for brands engaged in finance, consulting, architectonics and craft. White, grey and black help to create contrast and bring all other colors out. They do not convey any particular message on their own. Neutrals are here to support their neighbors by playing the role of complementation on websites. Their use can be truly universal as they work well in a variety of applications. Black can be combined with bright colors and white with dark colors, making a classic, almost universal combination. The correlation of colors is key to their impact. Reddish brown, sepia tones refer to past and tradition. Navy blue combinations are associated with dynamism, while black and white in equal amounts give deeper expressions to each other. The simplest set of colors expresses thoughts without words and influences audiences. The choice of these colors should reflect the brand mission with strength and clarity so that it can attract prospective customers. Again, there are no ideal sets of colors. Some are more common, some are less so. Warm colors impact users to take action, whilst cold shades have a cooling effect. Red spot on a light background is expressive, while placed on a cold one is almost hot. The stronger the contrast, the more powerful the message is, and surprisingly, many successful campaigns have broken colorful rules. Putting together opposing colors influence their visibility on the market. The designer's role is to build clear and understandable communication through the impact of color. The fewer hues used in a composition, the easier the whole thing is to remember. Select 2 to 3 key colors and your message will sustain easier and longer in the minds of your audience. The usage of color in advertising is often a very important choice, since color can have a tremendous psychological impact on people. The national origin of potential buyers, for example, can influence their preference for color. Such usage of color could therefore be used to promote sports clothing or equipment. The usage of color in advertising is often a very important choice, since the colors can have a tremendous psychological impact on the people. The national origin of the potential buyers, for example, can influence their preference for the colors. The Chinese tend to like metallic golds and reds. Lifestyle preferences can also influence the selection of colors favored. Vivid primary colors such as red and blue used along with white stripes are representative of an active lifestyle. Such usage of colors could therefore be used to promote sports clothing or equipment. Below are some of the most popular colors used in advertising, along with some situations when they might be used. Blue. One of the people's most favorite colors is blue and is therefore very appealing in many situations. It is appropriate when selling frozen foods, since it creates the impression of ice. It also tends to convey a feeling of honesty and dependability, so it would be a good choice if a brand has particular need for trust. Red. The second most preferred color after the blue is red. It is the hottest color available to marketers, often signifying action. This color can be used to promote soups and meats. Red is also perceived as being very masculine, so it can be used in advertising for products that target men, such as aftershave. Green. It is looked upon as a symbol of freshness and health. Consumers are more health conscious than ever these days, so green is suitable for many advertising campaigns. This color can also be used to promote products or services that are environmental friendly. Since global warming and other environmental issues are important to many people today, such campaigns often make a great impact. Red. Red is the color of fire and blood, so it is associated with energy, war, danger, strength, power, determination, as well as passion, desire and love. Red is a very emotionally intense color. It enhances human metabolism, increases respiration rate and raises blood pressure. It has very high visibility, which is why stoplights and fire equipment are usually painted in red color. In heraldry, red is used to indicate courage. It is a color found in many national flags. Red brings text and images to the foreground. Use it as an accent color to stimulate people to make quick decisions. It is a perfect color to buy now or click here buttons on internet banners and websites. In advertising, red is often used to erotic feelings, red lips, red nails, red light districts, lady in red, etc. Red is widely used to indicate danger, high voltage signs, traffic lights. This color is also commonly associated with energy. Pink signifies romance, love and friendship. It denotes feminine qualities and passiveness. Dark red is associated with vigor, willpower, rage, anger, leadership, courage, longing, malice and wrath. Brown suggests stability and denotes masculine qualities. Reddish brown is associated with harvest and fall. Orange. Orange combines the energy of red and the happiness of yellow. It is associated with joy, sunshine and the tropics. Orange represents enthusiasm, fascination, happiness, creativity, determination, attraction, success, encouragement and stimulation. To the human eye, orange is a very hot color, so it gives the sensation of heat. Nevertheless, orange is not as aggressive as red. Orange increases oxygen supply to the brain, produces an invigorating effect and stimulates mental activity. It is highly accepted among young people. As a citrus color, orange is associated with healthy food and stimulates appetite. Orange is the color of fall and harvest. In heraldry, orange is symbolic of strength and endurance. Orange has very high visibility, so you can use it to catch attention and highlight the most important elements of your design. Orange is very effective for promoting food products and toys. Dark orange can mean deceit and distrust. Red orange corresponds to desire, pleasure, domination, aggression and thirst for action. Gold evokes the feeling of prestige. The meaning of gold is illumination, wisdom and wealth. Gold often symbolizes high quality. Yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine. It is associated with joy, happiness, intellect and energy. Yellow produces a warming effect, arouses cheerfulness, stimulates mental activity and generates muscle energy. Yellow is often associated with food. Bright, pure yellow is an attention getter, which is the reason taxi cabs are painted this color. When overused, yellow may have a disturbing effect. It is known that babies cry more in yellow rooms. Yellow is seen before other colors when placed against black. This combination is often used to issue a warning. In heraldry, yellow indicates honor and loyalty. Later, the meaning of yellow was connected with cowardice. Use yellow to evoke pleasant, cheerful feelings. You can choose yellow to promote children's products and items related to leisure. Yellow is very effective for attracting attention, so use it to highlight the most important elements of your design. Men usually perceive yellow as a very light-hearted, childish color, so it is not recommended to use yellow when selling prestigious, expensive products to men. Nobody will buy a yellow business suit or a yellow Mercedes. Yellow is an unstable and spontaneous color, so avoid using yellow if you want to suggest stability and safety. Light yellow tends to disappear into white, so it usually needs a dark color to highlight it. Shades of yellow are visually unappealing because they lose cheerfulness and become dingy. Dull, dingy yellow represents caution, decay, sickness and jealousy. Light yellow is associated with intellect, freshness and joy. Green is the color of nature. It symbolizes growth, harmony, freshness and fertility. Green has strong emotional correspondence with safety. Dark green is also commonly associated with money. Green has great healing power. It is the most restful color for the human eye. It can improve vision. Green suggests stability and endurance. Sometimes green denotes lack of experience. For example, a green horn is a novice. In heraldry, green indicates growth and hope. Green, as opposed to red, means safety. It is the color of free passage in road traffic. Use green to indicate safety when advertising drugs and medical products. Green is directly related to nature, so you can use it to promote green products. Dull, darker green is commonly associated with money, the financial world, banking and Wall Street. Dark green is associated with ambition, greed and jealousy. Yellow green can indicate sickness, cowardice, discord and jealousy. Aqua is associated with emotional healing and protection. Olive green is the traditional color of peace. Blue. Blue is the color of sky and sea. It is often associated with depth and stability. It symbolizes trust, loyalty and wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith, truth and heaven. Blue is considered beneficial to the mind and body. It slows human metabolism and produces a calming effect. Blue is strongly associated with tranquility and calmness. In heraldry, blue is used to symbolize piety and sincerity. You can use blue to promote products and services related to cleanliness, water purification, filters, cleaning liquids, vodka, air and sky, airness, airports, air conditioners, water and sea, COIS mineral water. As opposed to emotionally warm colors like red, orange and yellow, blue is linked to consciousness and intellect. Use blue to suggest precision when promoting high-tech products. Blue is a masculine color. According to studies, it is highly accepted among males. Dark blue is associated with depth, expertise and stability. It is a preferred color for corporate America. Avoid using blue when promoting food and cooking because blue suppresses the appetite. When used together with warm colors like yellow or red, blue can create high impact, vibrant designs. For example, blue, yellow, red is a perfect color scheme for a superhero. Light blue is associated with health, healing, tranquility, understanding and softness. Dark blue represents knowledge, power, integrity and seriousness. Purple. Purple combines the stability of blue and the energy of red. Purple is associated with royalty. It symbolizes power, nobility, luxury and ambition. It conveys wealth and extravagance. Purple is associated with wisdom, dignity, independence, creativity, mystery and magic. According to surveys, almost 75% of pre-adolescent children prefer purple to all other colors. Purple is a very rare color in nature. Some people consider it to be artificial. Light purple is good choice for a feminine design. You can use bright purple when promoting children's products. Light purple evokes romantic and nostalgic feelings. Dark purple evokes gloom and sad feelings. It can cause frustration. White. White is associated with light, goodness, innocence, purity and virginity. It is considered to be the color of perfection. White means safety, purity and cleanliness. As opposed to black, white usually has a positive connotation. White can represent a successful beginning. Heraldry white depicts faith and purity in advertising. White is associated with coolness and cleanliness because it is the color of snow. You can use white to suggest simplicity in high-tech products. White is an appropriate color for charitable organizations. Angels are usually imagined wearing white clothes. White is associated with hospitals, doctors and sterility. So, you can use white to suggest safety when promoting medical products. White is often associated with low weight, low fat food and dairy products. Black. Black is associated with power, elegance, formality, death, evil and mystery. Black is mysterious color associated with fear and the unknown black holes. Usually has a negative connotation, blacklist, black humor, black death. Black denotes strength and authority. It is considered to be a very formal, elegant and prestigious color. Black, the basic Mercedes. In heraldry, black is the symbol of grief. Black gives the feeling of perspective and depth, but a black background diminishes readability. A black suit or dress can make you look thinner. When designing for a gallery of an art or photography, you can use a black or grey background to make the other colors stand out. Black contrast well with bright colors. Combined with red or orange, other very powerful colors, black gives a very aggressive color scheme. For the benefit a learner in visual communication, I am taking you over to a reputed Canadian publishing firm strategy that uses 14 colors combinations in designing the flyers and leaflets. These are time tested combinations of colors for production of sales. This is a lesson which you need to understand in conjunction with what you have learnt in preceding lessons. By doing so, you understand the multifacetedness of colors in human life in general and in Indian life in particular. One thing is important, as a visual communication student, without a clear depth of cultural knowledge of your own country in specific and the leads from the West, you can't be a good designer for any organization in India. The lesson has thoroughly explained how colors are viewed from both the Western perspective and Indian perspective. Even multinational brands are trying to adapt themselves to local cultures, whether such cultures are regional or national. Gaining the acceptance of cultures is touchstone for designing a visual for any ad campaign is crucial. In that sense, the lesson has provided the views of some of the best corporate magnates in India.